one, to locate his client and report back at 5 so that we may proceed with these proceedings. Senior Counsel Paul Muite, you may now inform the House so that we proceed.
Mheshimiwa Speaker, through you, I would like to inform honorable senators that I've been able to contact the doctors at Karen Hospital. There are a number of doctors, a team of doctors, who are looking after the Deputy President. Because of his condition, I was not able to directly talk to him on the advice of his doctors. He said he must have complete rest for the time being. I was, however, informed by his doctors that he is currently suffering intense chest pains. I did not want to inquire beyond that, Mheshimiwa Speaker.